What's up, guys? Today we're looking at the Ibanez TSA15H amp head. Now, before you go turning your amp on, and this goes with any amp, make sure it's connected to your cabinet. Because if not, like it says right here, connect speakers before use, there's a reason for that. Your amp's not going to see any resistance, and you're going to burn it up. The other important thing to note is use a speaker cable. Even though an instrument cable looks the same, it's not. The impedance is different, and you're going to ruin your amp. Moving over here, right in this section here. To break it down, if you have one cabinet with a 4 ohm speaker, you connect it right here. If you have two cabinets and each cabinet has an 8 ohm speaker in it, you connect cabinet 1 here, cabinet 2 here. Being it's wired in parallel, your ohms are reduced to 4. Over here, you have a 2x16 and a 1x8. So if you have a one cabinet with an 8 ohm speaker in it, you connect it right here. If you have two cabinets and they both house 16 ohm speakers, you connect cabinet 1 here and 1 here. Parallel wiring again. 16 and 16 now becomes 8. Over here, you have a 1x16. So if you only have one cabinet that houses one 16 ohm speaker, you connect it right here. This one we're going to talk a little bit more about. I have a 212 cabinet. I'm running Celestion 7080s. Those speakers come in 8 ohm and 16. I have 8 ohms, but I'm still using this right here. Why? Because I have mine running series. Series is different than parallel because parallel subtracts ohms. It reduces them. So 8 and 8 is 4. 16 and 16 is 8. But in series, if you have 8 and 8, that makes 16 ohm. So in my cab, speaker 1, the positive terminal runs to the negative terminal on speaker 2. On speaker 1's negative terminal, that runs down to the input jack's negative terminal. And speaker 2's positive terminal runs down to the input positive terminal. So now what just happened is you added 8 and 8. Wired in series, it becomes 16 ohm. You can hook a 412 cab up in this one too, but just remember, you need to make sure if it's wired in series or parallel. Parallel, you always subtract. Series, you always add. I hope this helps you guys out.